Financial freedom is the ability to live life on one's own terms. Anyone can become financially free with the right strategy. It means being free from the stress of debt and financial insecurity. Achieving financial freedom involves having sufficient resources to cover living expenses. This state allows individuals to maintain their desired lifestyle without needing a job. It also means not relying on external financial support to meet one's needs. Many people face financial hardship due to various economic pressures. Inflation erodes purchasing power, making goods and services more expensive. Market volatility creates uncertainty in investments and savings. These economic factors can hinder the achievement of long-term financial goals. Financial struggles often lead to increased stress and anxiety about the future. Effective financial planning and management are crucial for navigating these challenges. Inflation diminishes the buying power of savings over time. As prices for goods and services rise, the real value of money declines. This decrease in value makes it more challenging to sustain one's current lifestyle. Savings effectively purchase less as inflation progresses. Market volatility describes unpredictable changes in investment values. These fluctuations can result in substantial financial losses for investors. High volatility makes it difficult to protect wealth using standard investment methods. Understanding volatility is crucial for making informed investment decisions and managing risk. Precious metals, including gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, serve as safe havens for wealth. These metals tend to maintain or increase their value during economic downturns. They also act as a hedge against periods of high inflation. Historically, precious metals have been a reliable store of value in uncertain times. Precious metals have historically served as both a store of value and a medium of exchange. Their inherent value is derived from their limited availability and extraction challenges. This intrinsic value makes them dependable assets, especially during economic instability. Consequently, precious metals have been a reliable choice for preserving wealth across different eras. Investing in precious metals can offer stability during economic instability. Precious metals have a lower correlation with the stock market. This lower correlation provides a buffer against market losses. Precious metals can act as a hedge during economic downturns. Precious metals can act as a hedge against inflation. The value of precious metals typically increases during inflationary periods. This increase in value helps to protect purchasing power. Consequently, precious metals can maintain the real value of investments during inflation. Precious metals have a history of maintaining value over extended periods. This historical performance makes them attractive for long-term wealth preservation. Investing in precious metals can be a strategy to safeguard assets for future generations. Their tangible nature often provides a sense of security during economic uncertainty. However, it is important to consider storage costs and market fluctuations when investing. Precious metals have historically shown significant growth potential as investments. Increasing demand for precious metals can drive up their market value. Limited supply of certain precious metals further contributes to their potential for price appreciation. These factors can lead to substantial returns for investors in precious metals. Various individuals have attained financial independence through strategic investments in precious metals. These success stories serve as examples of the potential advantages of incorporating precious metals into an investment portfolio. Investing in precious metals can provide a hedge against economic uncertainty and inflation. Precious metals like gold and silver often maintain or increase their value during economic downturns. Diversifying an investment portfolio with precious metals can mitigate risk. Success stories highlight the importance of informed decision-making and strategic allocation in precious metal investments. Statistical data indicates that precious metals have shown superior performance compared to traditional investments over the last decade. This outperformance suggests precious metals can be a valuable asset for portfolio diversification. Strategic investment in precious metals can potentially enhance long-term financial security. Therefore, precious metals may play a crucial role in achieving financial freedom. Diversifying an investment portfolio with precious metals can mitigate overall risk. Precious metals offer a hedge against market volatility due to their unique properties. This diversification strategy can safeguard against potential losses in other asset classes. Including precious metals can enhance the potential for long-term investment success. The addition of precious metals contributes to a more balanced and resilient investment strategy. Precious metals provide a blend of stability, growth prospects, and diversification. This combination appeals to investors aiming for financial independence. Precious metals can act as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Their potential for growth complements their role in portfolio diversification. Precious metals can be a key to achieving financial freedom. Their value lies in their ability to act as a hedge against inflation. Precious metals also provide a hedge against market volatility. Investing in precious metals allows wealth to grow over time. Precious metals protect wealth from economic uncertainties. Precious metals are promoted as a long-term investment strategy. Their enduring value makes them a reliable asset over time. Precious metals offer potential for future growth. They can be a key component of a successful financial plan.